Okay, so the piece has dried. Now I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna be using resin with these. So this is TLP pigments. This is Maraschino, Submarine, Echeverria, and Boogie. And these are TLP pigments that I have mixed with my KS resin. And I have them here already, ready to go. So I'm gonna move these into frame so you can see them right there. And the submarine is gonna be kind of like what I use as my accent color. So I'm gonna, let me see. I'm gonna start right over here. And I am gonna use this pointed thing to kind of like bring it to the edge. Just like that. All right, so that is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna put the yellow throughout in different sections. Just like that. Just like that. Okay, everyone, so here she is. And I don't want to do the roots. I think I'm going to leave it just like that. I'm going to bring you in so you can see the colors. Look how gorgeous this piece is. It's a mixed media kind of technique. I love it. Tell me what you think about this one. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. I appreciate your support. And look, I turned on the light and look how gorgeous. It's beautiful. It is so beautiful. You can put a saying on the bottom here. This makes a great gift. So thoughtful. I wish you could see the true colors here. Maybe if I get closer. But I absolutely love this piece. So beautiful, so different for me. Thank you for joining me here at Floral Arts by Elsa. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.